back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my seafood boil, and this is the first time I'm doing this, so guys bear with me, but I'm gonna tell you if it tastes nice. So right here I have my crabs, some sea crabs, I have my sausage, and this is some bad dog sausage, and I have my shrimp right here, some sea shrimp, and I have some potatoes that I've sliced, my eggs, my sweet corn, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper powder because this is a must, and I have my minced garlic, and I have some lime because I don't have lemon, and I will be putting some salt as well. So you guys will see how I do this from scratch. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a long-time viewer, please consider subscribing to my channel. And for all my long-time subscribers and even my long-time viewers who still haven't subscribed, welcome. Thank you for being here. Thanks for the support. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by adding my salt, guys. And you know, seafood half salty. Seafood and pork just half to half salt. So I use 3 teaspoons, and I'm going to add some minced garlic. And I want a lot of garlic in this. So if it needs more garlic, I can always go and put additional garlic to the water. And for the Scotch bonnet pepper powder, you know you need a lot of this. So I'm not even measuring this, guys. I'm just going off the top of my head. Potatoes next, because you know those will take a longer time to cook. Then I'm going to go and add my corn. I'm going to then cover my pot and allow the Irish to cook like halfway through. Then I will remove the Irish and my corn and add my seafood to the water. guys, my seafood broil is ready, and I'm just making a sauce for it. So this is garlic butter, some water, and now I'll be adding some lime juice to this and some salt. Not a lot because this thing is super spicy. Guys, it's soon be on like Donkey Kong. On like Donkey Kong. So guys, this is my seafood broil and I'm happy how it turned out. Everything is looking amazing. I've made some sauce over here so we can dip like the corn or the potatoes or the crab in it, and everything is looking so amazing. I'm so excited to taste this. And guys, I've tasted the shrimp and everything while cooking, so I can tell you it is nice. But I want to taste it together. Let's just taste the sauce. Guys, the sauce is good. And yes, I just double dip, but whatever. But guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until then, love is what good. Mwah.